Katyani, the sixth Navdurga. My obeisance to Devi Katyani. Katyani is the sixth Navdurga in progression. She is light from an invisible sun, that is Prakasha, revealed as the Rishi Katyana, an avatar of Shiva. Devi Katyani has appeared to remove the sufferings of humanity in distress and trauma, chaos and confusion. She is identity and is samadhi within ecstasy, as she abides in the yoga asana and the mudra from the Navarna to the Panchadashi. The Bija mantra are the segment systems of the infinite. She is the last phase of Mahishasuramardani as being the Shishtam Katyani. I recite here आदिशातं अक्षरमूर्त्या विलसन्तीं भूते भूते भूतकदम्बप्रस्वतीं शब्द ब्रह्मानन्दमयितां तनुमद्यां गौरीम् अम्बारम्बुरहक्षीमहमीडे गौरी Ambarambur Hakshimamide Gauri Ambamambura Hakshimamide. Agama makes us to learn to recite and be meditating on Shabda, the sound. It's Om, Am, Hrim, Klim, Am, Fram, Sharikaye Namah. Am, Klim, Sau. Agama teaching are the figurative understanding of the Bindu, Trikona, Vasukona, Dasharyugma, Vrittatraya, Ashtadala, Shodasharam, and Bhupura, in which all the Devatas and Devis are in the form of Swara and Vyanjanas, with the Uddata, Anudata, and Swarita forms of pronouncing the Vedic characters of vibration within mantra. In the modern times, the sages like Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa suggested devotion to the Divine Mother. Sri Aurobindo showed the path of integral yoga. Maharishi Ramana to the inner silence of realizing Soham. The mathematical interpretation of Soham. Sa plus Aham, which is Soham. Sa is Ananta or infinite. Aham is made of Panchatattva, five elements. That's Prithvi, Jala, Agni, Vayu, and Akasha. The first four tattvas are tangible. Sky is limitless. When the Panchatattvas get united with Sa, Ananta, then its value become infinite. Just like infinite plus variable is infinity. Sa plus Panchatattva, which is Sa plus Aham, which is Soham. Another mathematical explanation here. Infinite plus constant is infinity. Sa plus Atman with Namarupa Aham is again Soham. It has been said in the Rig Veda, Ekam Sat Vipra Bahuda Vidanti. The one can be interpreted as many, more than one, greater than one. That's 1, 2, 3, and it goes till infinity. The mathematical symbol is equal to stands for equality, which in Sanskrit is termed as tatsam. Therefore, the tatsam of Sah and Aham is Soham or Tadbhava. Becoming must be in tune with being. Becoming is a process to realize superconsciousness. It's also known as Tadrupa, identical. The movement Tatsam becoming Tadbhava being. The mystics and others become spiritual masters and are followed by Ashtasiddhis. Ashta refers to eightfold and Siddhis are the yogic perfections. Mastanas, Paranhamsas accept them as part of their Sautantra Shakti, free will. But Farzanas, ascetics, sadhus, saints, mahatmas do not allow those eightfold perfections to divert their energy with miracles. Rather, they put their energy for uplifting the society. The great example is of Swami Vivekananda, who applied Soham for Atmano Moksharatam Jagat Hityacha, which reflects to his inborn spirituality, as is evident from his lectures in the Parliament of World Religion at Chicago, USA. The mystical approach. The mystics of Bharat, India, recognize Soham in the process of reversal or going back to the origin, which is to identify one's own self with the divine. With the force of pranayama, taking apana back into prana and balancing with samana, Soham goes back to Hamsa. The literal meaning of Hamsa is swan, goose, or the flamingo. Its color is spotless white, which is verily sattva, purity of thought, mind, and deed. It is known as the arohana, ascent, and the avrohana, descent, in mysticism, but within the limit of pranayama. Patanjali speaks of it as kundalini, a serpentine coil, which needs to be awakened by those who are intent upon realizing the relationship between Sah and Aham. The Katyani Devi blesses the devotees for understanding the higher forms of yoga through Shat Chakra Bhedana, then to realize what is infinity. Around him is the world and the unknowable that all can be seen through his or her intuitive eyes, the very characteristic of Katyani Devi, and consequently the mind can grasp the immutable relationship between Sah and Aham to knowledgeable Soham. Thus the beauty of human birth lies in synthesis of body, mind, and the soul. Verily, the Soham is the understanding of the eternal light within every nerve and cell, which is realized as under. It enters the mystic's eternal light. It steps or of an ascending force. In short, Tatsam means to be synonymous with that. This is the message of Durga Saptashati, as is seen through the merits of the Samadhi Vaishya. Hence, the Soham consciousness is vivid in the life pattern of the sadhaka of the Shakti Upasana. Katyani is the mother of the Arya, Vak, the supreme word which is apparent through innovation of the sixth Titi. Da is the Bija and is uttered with all force, forgetting the scarcity of nothingness in the Shunya Ashunyam Ja, as described in the Devi Atharva Shirsha.